Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to add numbers to PDF pages online. So as you can see, we are on Google Chrome, and make sure we have to connect it to internet, okay, and search for a small PDF online. And here you can see the small PDF site, which is smallpdf.com. and after opening up that site, you scroll all the way down, and here you will be able to see all PDF tools. Okay, now here you can see number pages. What do you have to do? So just select that. Now here you can see add page numbers to PDF. So simply you have to choose that file in which you want to add number, right? So I'm just selecting that file. Okay, now here you can see that your PDF file is uploaded, and here you can see that where you want to add number. Okay, so you can simply add, you have to just select that corner, which is, you can see, you can select center, top center, you can select top left, you also can select top right as well. And here is also bottom left, bottom center, and bottom left and bottom right also. So I want to add this number to bottom right side. Okay, and simply just click on number pages, and here you can see your PDF file is automatically started downloading. But if it don't start automatically, just simply click on download option. Now here you can see it's started downloading, and simply open up that file. Now here you can see that numbers of your PDF file is showing. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So that's how you can add numbers to your PDF file online. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below.